Nuvero's theme music introduces Jerome Kern's lovable song from Showboat, He's Just My Bill.
I used to dream that I would discover the perfect lover. Someday I knew I'd recognize him if ever he came round my way. I always used to fancy then he'd be one of those godlike kind of men, with a giant brain and a noble head, like the heroes bold in the books I'd read. But along came Bill, who's not the type at all. You'd see him on the street and never notice him. His form and face, his manly grace, are not the kind that you would find in a statue. Yet I can't explain. It's surely not his brain that makes me thrill. I love him because he's wonderful, because he's just my Bill. Yes, he's just my Bill, sort of an ordinary boy, yet he hasn't got a thing that I can brag about. I'm yet to be upon his knees, so comfy and roomy, feels natural to me. I can't explain. It's surely not his brain that makes me thrill, but I love him because he's, I don't know, because he's just